I hope you enjoyed this little anti-Valentine's Day piece I did. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. If you're already a subscriber, do me a favor, hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And I'll try better next time.